Here we have the same general characteristics of the graph, okay? Slight differences, but let's say it represents the same functions. Okay. Now, we've done the graph of h of x equals f of x times g of x. And just by looking at what happens on the far right and the far left, we see that the graph is going to do something very much like this. And then we confirm that if you multiply two linear functions, you get a quadratic. The peak is going to occur at the midpoint of the interval between the two zeros. So we've learned all kinds of stuff, okay? The axis of symmetry will occur there. The vertex will be on the axis of symmetry. And there should probably be an arrow from the word vertex to the vertex. Okay. Now, we're going to do something different, though. We're going to divide the f of x by g of x. Okay? So, first thing I'll ask is, there is one value of x for which this is not defined. Okay?
0.
So my question is, for what x is h of x undefined?
0.
At the point where it crosses the x-axis?
The point where what crosses the x-axis?
The two lines.
Because you got two hands going there. I don't know which.
Both the
You
lines
said
and then
for
where
what
they.
x is h of x?
Where they
Okay,
cross
well, would it be
Yeah, right.
undefined here?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
When one of them is 0.
When x is 0.
Well, which one's
When
zero
f of
here?
x-
When g of x is 0.
F of x is
Yeah.
0.
F of x is 0. Is that a problem?
No.
Yes.
No, as long as g of x isn't 0, that's not a
Yeah.
problem. You can't divide by 0.
Yeah.
But you divide into 0,
Yeah.
you're going to get 0,
As long
right?
as g of x is 0, then it's undefined.
Okay.
But when g of x is 0, you're going to have a problem here, okay?
Okay.
So you got that pretty quickly. Very good.
Ha-ha.
Oh, that was you. You couldn't divide into 0.
And so we can't use red. I wanted to use red because it's emphatic. But okay, so it's undefined here at the 0 of g of x. Okay. Anything else? No? As far as being defined, everywhere but there, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to want to ask what happens if we're close to this point. If x is close to here. Okay? So we're going to go on here. Assume